Supreme Court lifts restrictions on ICE immigration raids in LA. In a 6-3 decision, the Supreme Court overturned a federal judge's ruling that barred ICE from stopping people based on their race, language, job, or location while a legal case over the stops plays out. As is typical for the court's emergency docket, the majority did not explain its decision. However, in a concurring opinion, Justice Brett Kavanaugh wrote that apparent ethnicity alone cannot furnish reasonable suspicion, but it can be a relevant factor when considered along with other salient factors. The court's liberal justices dissented, saying the decision infringed on constitutional freedoms and that anyone who looks Latino, speaks Spanish, and appears to work a low-wage job could be targeted. The underlying legal case will continue to play out in California, where ICE raids have sparked protests. The Trump administration also announced yesterday that ICE was beginning operations in Chicago. France's government collapsed amid fiscal pressures. French Prime Minister François Bayrou lost a confidence vote in parliament, which will force President Emmanuel Macron to name a new premier in the country's third change of government in just over a year. Bayrou's ousting came after he proposed unpopular spending cuts and tax hikes to address the country's mounting debt. Whoever comes next will still have to face the political challenge of passing a budget. The Murdochs and their succession fight with Lachlan at the top of media empire. This time, the eldest boy won. The Murdoch family has reached a deal to end their legal battle over control of the companies owned by patriarch Rupert Murdoch. The agreement puts Lachlan Murdoch, his father's desired successor because they share conservative political views, at the helm of a media empire that includes Fox News and the Wall Street Journal among its holdings. Meanwhile, Lachlan's three oldest siblings, who are more liberal, will get $1.1 billion each for their shares when a family trust that gave the four eldest Murdoch siblings equal stakes is dissolved in favor of a new one.